we are going to discuss about water quality prediction for smart aquaculture using hybrid deep learning models. We are going to discuss about overview of our project. The main objective of our project is to predict or analyzing the quality of the water in the aquaculture by using different classification algorithms. The change in water quality will upset the balance of the system with algae bloom, bacterial growth, etc. To maintain and manage the aquaculture and monitoring the water quality and prediction are essential. In aquaculture, water quality is the most important and critical factors that affect production as well as the product quality. So, the vital water quality parameters such as salinity, pH, dissolved oxygens, and temperatures. The system is developed the different machine and deep learning algorithms for predicting the quality of the water, either the water is safe or not. So by using such as CNN with LSTM, that is the combination of CNN and LSTM and combination of CNN and GRU, then finally logistic regression. So these are the algorithms. So we can compare all these algorithms and based on some performance metrics such as mean absolute error, mean squared error, root mean square error, and mean absolute percentage error. So this is the abstract of our project. Now we are going to discuss about the flow of our project. First, we need to take one data set. The data set is water quality data set. The data set was collected from some data set repositories like GitHub, Kaggle, and UC emission repositories. The collected input data is carried out to pre-processing step. So here we can check any missing values is present or not. Uh, why we are checking missing values means we need to avoid wrong prediction. If it is present, we need to remove all the missing values by zeros. The pre-processed data is carried out to data splitting model. Here we can split the whole data into test and train. Test is used for prediction, train is used for evaluation. The splitted data is carried out to classification model. So in this model, so we can implement three kind of classification techniques. First, combination of CNN plus LSTM, then CNN plus GRU, then machine learning such as logistic regression. So we need to compare these three algorithms results. After classify the data, we need to estimate some performance metrics such as some error values like mean absolute error, mean square error, root mean square error. So after that, we need to predict the water quality, either it is safe or non-safe. So after prediction, so we can visualize the whole data in the form of comparison, like compare the whole data in the form of graph based on our error values. This is the flow of our project. Now we are going to discuss about demo of our project. Just we are running our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. So this is a just simple user interface water quality prediction using deep learning. Click here, get start. So first model data selection. So here we can read our input data and display some sample of data set. The next pre-processing. So in pre-processing, here we can check any missing values is present or not. So these are the attributes which is present in our data set. So these are the total number of data, that is the total number of missing data. So we need to replace that missing values by zeros. So after replace the missing values, we can check. So that this is the zero. So zero indicates there is a no missing values. Then data splitting. So in data splitting, we can split the whole data into test and train. So test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. Next, we are implemented the different algorithms, right? So for this is the result for CNN with LSTM. So with the help of this algorithm, we can conclude. So these are the error values like mean absolute error, square error, and RMSE. This is the result for CNN with GRU. So these are the results. That is the error values for MAE, MSC, or MSC. Then logistic regression. So this is the result for logistic regression. In water quality prediction, so we are checking some test data like a sample 10 test data. So it will be displayed the not safe. That is the water quality is not good. So this is the comparison graph for our algorithms based on that error values. So this is the demo of our project. Thank you.